In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an effective survey using Surveymonkey. This platform is fantastic for collecting insights and feedback from your audience. Whether you're assessing customer satisfaction, conducting research, or gathering data for a project. So let's dive in and start from scratch. First, you'll want to navigate to the Surveymonkey homepage. Once there, look for the option that says Create Survey. It's usually prominently displayed, and clicking it will set you on your way to beginning your survey creation journey. Surveymonkey offers an array of options, but going with the clearly labeled Create Survey is the simplest way to get started. Next, after starting the new survey creation process, you'll see an option to pick a popular template. This feature greatly simplifies the process by offering you a selection of pre-designed templates that fit various survey needs. Selecting a template is especially helpful if you're unsure about how to structure your survey questions. It also saves time, allowing you to focus on fine-tuning rather than building from the ground up. Once you've chosen to view the available templates, scroll through them and find the Customer Satisfaction template. This template is designed to help you evaluate and gather feedback on how satisfied your customers are, which is crucial for improving your products or services. When you've found it, simply click on it. With the template selected, you'll see the option to use this template. Clicking this will take you directly into the survey design view, where you can start customizing the survey to better fit your needs. Now that you're in the design view, focus on the build section of the interface. Surveymonkey provides a user-friendly drag and drop interface in the build section, making it easy to add, remove, or edit elements of your survey. You'll have a rich palette of question types to choose from, so this is where you can truly tailor the survey to your specific requirements. One of the fundamental features in this section is the text area. By selecting this, you can insert instructions or additional context necessary for respondents to understand the focus of your survey. Clear and concise text will guide your participants and result in more reliable responses. After inserting text, look for the prompt to enter your text. Typing here allows you to fill in specific details or highlights that need attention. Keep your audience in mind as you do this, making sure the language is accessible to all potential respondents. Before finalizing, remember to click Save. This is a crucial step, ensuring your progress is stored and nothing gets lost during the editing process. Finally, if you need to access or modify the highlighted text or other elements again, simply click on Highlight. This action will allow you to identify and focus on crucial parts of your survey that require more emphasis or changes. Once everything is set, your survey is ready to be shared. Send it out to your participants and collect all the valuable feedback you need. Happy surveying!